Yes, Shiva, I got that.
Okay. This is my file. This is the demo file, my project file. I can open demo file. You can see manage.py file. Uh, Same I will give to co-host. You can join now our remaining members.
Shiva, hello Shiva, your screen is not visible.
Yeah, yeah, okay. I will share my screen. Okay, this time.
Yeah, it is visible now.
Yeah, you also co-host to send. Okay, this is my project file, demo file. Okay, you can see this is my project first of all. Demo one. In demo one, I can go to. I can maximize it my screen. In demo one, you can see manage.py file is present in this time. I can select this path and delete now. You can enter cmd and you can enter now. It's directly open the command prompt within the this path. Okay. Okay, I am run the this project. What is the command? Run. How to run the project? What is the command? Tell me. Python manage.py and server. Okay, I got this URL to command prompt. This is the I'm running the project through the my command prompt. Command prompt. Okay. Otherwise, you can go open the Visual Studio. You can run through the Visual Studio also. Okay, how to you can run the Visual Studio? You can open with your code. Open with the Visual Studio. Okay, okay. I'm not open with the Visual Studio Code. Okay, once I will give 1 minute. I will open now through command prompt. Okay, otherwise you can run the your project with Visual Studio terminal. Okay, you can create one new terminal. You can click now in this terminal box. You can see this path of the project in user del desktop demo one. Same path, it is the present in the terminal box. You can write the python manage.py file on server. Um, Again, I will explain now today also, okay, how to create the project, how to create the app. But today I will create two HTML pages and how to connect the two HTML pages and how to create the two URLs and how to create the two views in the app level. This is the today topic. Okay, I can click now, double click directly. It's going now. Okay, already one URL is present. That is the test URL. You can see this is the URL, your URL. I will explain after admin level. I will explain that is the database related admin level. Don't go now. This is the admin. We create first of all credential for admin level. That time you can allow the this admin level. Okay. Otherwise can't allow. Okay. Enter now. This is the HTML page. I want to one HTML page retrieve the data from the my website. I collect my data from my website. Okay. These HTMLs and CSS I can copy now. I can put in the my project level. What is my project? My project is a demo. In this demo, we are already creating the template folder. In template folder, I can put in the these files, so JSS files and CSS files, and also in my home page I connect now. Okay, this time you can run now your file. Okay, it's maybe modified. You can first of all break now your server. First of all, you can break now. Any changes you can apply now. That time you can see in this HTML it's the same. Okay, the HTML is same body. It's my website. I will go to home h1. Okay, in home h1 is the data present. You know, it's in my templates. Okay, I can access the, this is the home, this is the home one. You can click now home. Give. This is the home page. I convert to home page. Okay, in this time you can run now your website. You can see first of all it's a server breakdown. You can run now server, your server. Okay, after that you can go your server. You can see it's my project will be open, but I can't apply the CSS. You can see in the CSS okay, it's going. Okay, it's connected. All are understand how to connect this? Any doubts? Or otherwise I will go to simple method. Guys, it's any difficult? Tell me. I will go to simple method.
Shiva, explain once again.
Okay, I will go to simple method first of all. Okay, I will delete all these things in HTML and CSS. I have one page. It is a home.html page in my Visual Studio. You can see in my templates only home.html. I can delete all these things in the data in the HTML. And also you can see my settings file is there. I connected to my app also in the installed apps. These are all are okay. Settings.py file and main you can concentrate on URLs file in project level and views file your app level. You can concentrate on these both files first of all. After concentrate on your HTML page. Okay. First you can do one thing. So you can create a one view in app level. You can first of all you have a some files are there. The most important file in the app level, it's a views file. You want to create one view. You want to create a home page. Okay, that time you can create one function, that is the home function. Okay, you can view home, and next you can must and should you can pass the one keyword, that is the request. Okay, After you can write the programming level, you can do now this function, what's the return, okay, return. And next of all, I can write the render. What is the render? Render means your HTML files runs this function, okay. You can see in from Django constructs import the render. మీరు జాంగో నుంచి జాంగోలో స్ట్రక్స్ నుంచి రెండర్ అనే ఒక ఫంక్షన్ని మీరు ఇక్కడికి ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు. ఆ యొక్క ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకున్న ఫంక్షన్ని ఇక్కడ మీరు యూటిలైజేషన్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. ఇక్కడ రిటర్న్ రెండర్స్ మీన్స్ యువర్ HTML ఫైల్ యూ కెన్ యాక్సెస్ దిస్ ఫంక్షన్, ఓకే. You can this render function has a three parameters. First one, you can pass the request, whatever maybe you can pass in the first time in your parameter, you can must and should you can pass now in this, okay. The request, you can next give in the comma. After second parameter, you must and should give in the HTML page, okay. After the next, you can give the context. In context means you can use the dictionary format, okay. I will explain after a dictionary format how it's helpful, okay. And next, I will give the one HTML page. I already created a home.html page in the templates, okay. By default, the HTML templates are connected through in your settings.py file. Don't how to it's calling, how to its utilization, anyone any doubts this type of related questions from your side, guys? Any doubts? మీరు నాతో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవుతే ఎవరికేం అర్థమవుతుంది ఏంటి అనేది అర్థమైంది. తర్వాత ఆ వీడియోస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, చూసేసుకుందాం అనుకుంటే కొంచెం కష్టమే. Which concept is this? Amrut, this is the Django concept. We are developed the app level project. In app level, we develop the first of all we develop the one view, okay. After giving the one URL, before day I will explain the reverse method. In today I will go to one method, okay. This is the reverse method of the URL, okay. In first time I create one URL, after go to create a one function. That time you may be some difficult are there. In this time I first of all create the one view in the app level, okay. What is the difference between project level and app level? You will know. I'm already explained what is the difference between project and app. App means you can develop the number of apps in the one project level. In project means only one project. In your developing one project, that level only one project files are there, only one project file. In project file you have one init.py file and settings.py file and urls.py file, wgs file, okay. You can see in the app level same init.py file is there, and also in app level main it's admin level, admin .py file is there, and app level and models is most important, and a test.py file, and main thing model and views. I will explain model also, okay, how to create the models and all. And views most of the work on views, because it's a Django, it flows the Mvt pattern, okay. Mvt pattern, M means model, this is the model, this model, okay. And next to view means this is the views file. It controls this file controls the URL, okay. And next T means templates, these templates we are using this method Mvt pattern. Mvt means a model, we can create the models. Model means a database, okay. We create the models, that time it stores the data, that format. After that you can use the views means whatever in the data you can show now, or you can collect the data from user side, that time you can use these views. And templates means we retrieve the it's a static files, it is a HTML files, we access the HTML files through the views and model, okay. All are understand MVT? Guys, speak now. Anything? Tell me, guys. Any doubts? Okay, Amrut. Thank you. కనీసం ఒక లైన్ రెస్పాండ్ అవుతున్నందుకు ఓకే ఇన్ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ పేజీలో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ చూడండి నేను ఇవాళ బూస్ట్ ట్రాప్తో వెళ్తున్నాను ఎంటైర్ నేను బూస్ట్ ట్రాప్తో నేను డెవలప్ చేయబోతున్నాను ఓకే ఐ విల్ గో టు డెవలప్ ది కోడ్ త్రూ ది బూస్ట్ ట్రాప్ ఓకే ఐ కెన్ గో టు బూస్ట్ ట్రాప్
Okay, Shiva.
Thank you. Already downloaded these files. You can see in the download option is there. You can go to home button. You can see in the download option is there. In that time, you can download the one rar file. You can extract now that file. You can see. I will show now in downloads. Okay, how its format will become. Okay. You can see this is the bootstrap file, rar file will be came through the download now. You can see bootstrap 1.53. In the bootstrap you can see dist. In the dist is present css and java. These files you can copy now. These files only utilize in the bootstrap. Okay, all our files utilize, but mainly your css and javascript it's helpful for that files. Okay, and lot of is there, and js scripts also, css scss also there. Okay, fonts, forms, any forms, this type of forms you want to, that time you can click now. You can see now this type of what is the present, you can see now. Okay, this type of forms is present. Okay, okay, whatever maybe it's a we requirement for only see html and css because we are collecting in the we collecting from the from bootstrap we're collecting the css and java files. You can copy now in the dist, dist. Okay, in the dist you can collect the css and java js files folders. You can copy now where you are presenting in our project. We are present in the our project is demo 1. In demo 1 we are creating the we are also I'm also created template. Okay, in template you can paste now that files. Okay, sorry, I'm not copy. Copied in template level, I can put in the paste it. Okay, and next go to our code. You can start now. You can see the starter templates. You can start with this template syntax. Okay, you can copy now. You can paste now. Before I am telling to you, first of all you can delete the this integrity and cross region. You can delete now in the tags, in the script level and css level. Okay, in the links you can delete now. That links are present that time it's working on online method. Okay, but we are deleting the http response, all these things we can delete now. Okay, okay, you can see it's came or not. Once you can copy this path, you can put it, you can once delete now. It's came will be that path will be came or not. Once check now. Okay, it's came. You can see in the css. You can click now in the css. What is the file, or that is the bootstrap min.css. This is the file. Okay, same will be came. Okay, can also same given the js path. Okay, I am save now, and I am deleting the h1, and also I delete the title. In title I can give the demo. Okay, the title will came from will come to in our search column. Okay, in search tab will be showing. Okay, after I will go to, I create one form, input forms. Maybe I take a input forms, input group, maybe input group I can take now. Okay, I take this type of, first of all I check now. You once cross verify it. First of all, we create the function. In function, we create a one HTML file. Okay, in HTML file is present or not. Once it's not present, you can go now in your templates. You can create now that name. Okay, otherwise it's okay. It's present that time. It's okay. And after you can go, you can check now. It's a URL are present or not. It's not present. First of all, you can collect the that file where it's present, the views file. Okay, you can go now. You can first of all from you collect that file. You first of all collect now. Okay, how to collect that file? You can collect. You can use this code. That time you can collect it. Okay, what is the app name? That is the app name is the app one. Okay, import. You can see today my Visual Studio deleted my updates. It came to green color. You can see in app one, but before day it's showing the white. Okay, import views. You can see what is the difference between this path is showing violet color, but this views also showing the color green color, but it's not bright color. It's not a light. It's some darkness is will be present in views. You can see why it's showing this type of, because I am not utilizing these views, because it's showing hiding the view. Okay, hiding this name. Okay, once I will call this views, that time it's a pop up, it's a bright now. Okay, I'm using path. In path, first of all, first keyword, it's a path also. You can pass as the path also one of the function. That function passes the three parameters. The first one is the URL. That URL you can add it to this. You have one URL, you can add this tag. You can add to the our URL. Okay, and next one you can pass the views. You can see the difference between, once I will give you views, that time it's also came to bright. Okay, you can observe now views dot home. Sorry, I'm giving the only view. In this time you can see this is also not hiding. In this time it's showing bright, that color. Once that file you can utilize now, that time it's showing, otherwise it's behind the some black color. And next you can pass the name as your wish. It's a passing as your wish, you can pass it or not. Okay, I'm passing. Why I am passing the name? Because sometimes I can call this URL, that time I directly calls to this name, that time it's run this URL. Okay, home. And save now. Every file I can save now. Check now once. Okay, all files saved. Okay, after that you can run the server. You can check server. It's not running. Okay, I'm running this server. Okay, okay, it's a home. I can give slash and home. Sorry. You can see HTML tag will be came. I am creating another template that is the user.html. Okay. And first of all, I create a one function. Function is user. You can pass must and should, you can pass the one keyword. Sorry, request, and next you can run return the render, and you can pass the three parameters in this. You can must and should request, and next pass the, definitely you can pass the text. What is that? Not a text, HTML file, user dot HTML file. Okay, save now. Okay, after go to, you can URL. You can create one URL for that file. Okay, and path. Sorry, you can see I'm not given the comma. That time it's showing, not showing the color PA path. It's a showing path. It's a white color. Once I give comma, you can see it's a convert into yellow. You can any mistakes you can given any mistakes in your coding level, that next line it's affected to next line. You can observe now. Okay. Next, you can give user, or otherwise you can't give any name. That time it's directly run now. Okay. And next, views. It came from views because I'm giving the views. Views dot, what is the function name? User. User also present because it is showing yellow color. I am putting the one, that time you can see that is the white color. Okay. And the name equal to, it's a user. Sometimes I'm giving the single quote, sometimes I giving the double quotes. It's not affected to in this time code in a URL file and a views file not affected. But in this time HTML file I will go now. That time some effects are there. Okay, I run now. It's already open. Okay, you can see in the HTML page directly open the your user page. Okay, I can't I can't any I don't do any coding in the user.html file. You can go now. I can copy any code, HTML code, HTML forms, form actions. Okay. Okay, I collected this code. I can paste now in this time. Let's see what happened. I can again run. Okay, you can see it's a data will be coming, but I want to. You can see I can submit the form. At that time it's going to home page. Okay, once I submit now, how to this action I how to perform. You can just of all you can write the, this is the form action. The action will be goes to that is the PHP code. My action goes to home.php, not PHP, sorry, HTML. Okay, you can save now. Then once again you can refresh now. Can you can submit button? It's not came. Why it's not came? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, it's taking the data. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's the error. Okay. This is also taken. Okay. Okay, home.page will become. Once I submit now, you can see this action will be performed. Okay, previously this is the Jinja techniques. We are already assign the one name because it's a helpful from it's calling this this URL. I can click now. I can click this button. Sorry, I can click the click this button. You can see that action will go to the home.ph home page. Okay, you can see get method. This is the not get method. I can write the only. I can create a action method. Okay, in method you can write get method. In get method also same, it's again. Okay, once I refresh now, you can see in the get method it's not secured method. Okay, this is showing your data. Once you can give any data in this, it's a showing in URL path. Okay, you can see in the post method you can use post method. What is the difference between get method and post method? That time what happened, maybe my system it's some happened. Okay, it's today working. I have downloaded some .NET frameworks from my laptop. Maybe that's the affected to my lappy. In this time, I passes the some data. In this time, you can see. Okay, in this time, CRF token it's not valid. You can see the CRF token mission it's not affected. Okay, Django mission you can go to CRF token. You can see this CRF token not valid. You can put on this is the middlewares from the your action. You can add this action will be performed. That time you can put this action. Okay, the CRF token you can put now in your browser in your file in HTML file. It's working. Okay, once check now your server is working or not. Once I can save now. Okay, it's working. I can refresh now. Okay, once open. You can refresh now. You can submit now. You can it's a action will be come. Okay, whatever maybe I will given in the data. You can see in URL it's not appear. This is the most important in the post method. The post method is a secured method. మీరు ఏ డేటా ఇస్తున్నారో ఆ డేటా మొత్తాన్ని హైడ్లో ఉంచింది పోస్ట్ మెథడ్ని ఉపయోగిస్తున్నట్టయితే. అదే గెట్ మెథడ్ని మీరు ఉపయోగిస్తున్నట్టయితే మీకు గెట్ మెథడ్లో డేటా అనేది సెక్యూర్డ్గా ఉండదు. మీ యొక్క యూఆర్ఎల్లో మొత్తం డేటా అనేది కనబడుద్ది. ఓకే, anyone any doubts? I will explain again. Okay, anyone any doubts, guys? Oh yeah, I understand. Okay,
Shiva, get and post once again. Tell me.
okay, first of all get to post to without to crf token. Without to crf token I will explain now. In the also I can give the one HTML tag that is the test. Okay, without crf token I am using in this time get method. Okay, once you are using post method in the Django, you can use the CRF tokens because in the you can see in the settings in your project level settings middlewares. This is the one of the middleware in the CRF token. Okay, we can check now the one of the CRF token in the Django. One page is there. CS token. Okay, in Django. One file is there cross-site request for given product. This is the okay, you can use how to use it. You can read now this entire. I will explain. This method will be affected to only post method. Already I will explain. Okay, I will first of all explain now in the what is the get method, what is the difference between get method and post method. I will explain now first of all what is it. Okay, let's see this is save. It's running or not? Okay, it's running. I can refresh now my data. My data I will give in the test, and test one I will give the first name equal to test and last name is equal to test one. You can submit once you check the URL. In the submit button, I can click now. That page will go to the home page. Okay, my URL will be changed to home. And after the data will be any data will be present, that method will be get method. I'm using get method. Okay, I can click now in this time. You can see this is the my page. This is my URL page. This is the my data from the previous page data. I can the first name, the f name means this is the field name. The field name means you can check now in the URL, in the user side. This is the in your first name, the input text id, the name equal to what is the name, f name. This f name comes to you in your URL. The f name equal to test1. This is the I am given through the keyboard. Okay, this is the test. And the last name, in the last name also you already gave the your text in the in your html, and you can check now. This is the your last name test1. ఓకే, ఇది మెయిన్ డిఫరెన్స్. మీరు కానీ గెట్ మెథడ్ని ఉపయోగిస్తే ఇలా డేటా మొత్తం మీ యొక్క యూఆర్ఎల్లో కనబడుద్ది. ఇలా ఉండటం వల్ల ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను చూసేసాను అనుకో, మీ యొక్క లాగిన్ ఇక్కడ లాగిన్ ఉండిద్ది, పాస్వర్డ్ ఉండిద్ది. నేను ఈ రెండింటిని చూసేస్తే ఇప్పుడు మీకు సెక్యూరిటీ ఎలా ఉండిద్ది మీ యొక్క సిస్టమ్, మీ యొక్క అకౌంట్కి. అందుకనే మనం పోస్ట్ మెథడ్ని ఉపయోగించుకుంటాం లాగిన్స్కి ఏదైనా కానీ. ఓకే, వన్స్ ఐ విల్ యూజ్ ది పోస్ట్ మెథడ్. In this post method I can use now that time use the crf token. Okay, how to give in this crf token? This is the ginger techniques. Okay, ఇవన్నీ జింజర్ టెక్నిక్స్. ఇలా బ్రాకెట్స్ పెట్టి ఇలా పర్సంటేజ్లు పెట్టి వీటి మధ్యన ఇస్తున్నామంటే డేటా, ఇవి అంతా జింజర్ టెక్నిక్స్ అంటాం మనం. ఓకే, గాట్ ఇట్?
Okay, got it.
Okay, I will definitely you can give the crf token, otherwise it throws the error. Okay, I can go to my, again I can refresh now. I can give the same data I will give now in the test one. Can give now. I can submit now. In this time you can see only the URL path will be only showing. It's a home and my URL 8000 server. It's only showing. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, but the data will be came to in your URL. Okay. Yeah. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నేను పోస్ట్ మెథడ్ ఉపయోగించాలి. నేను సిఆర్ఎఫ్ టోకెన్ నేను తీసేయాలి. ఐ వాంట్ టు డిలీట్ ది సిఆర్ఎఫ్ టోకెన్. ఓకే, హౌ టు నౌ యూ కెన్. యా,
అమృత్ మెసేజ్ చేశారు, ఏమో చూడండి ఒకసారి.
ఓకే, యా అమృత్. use XAMPP software combines all the pages on web page. No Amrut, this we can this Django it's already provides it SQLite 3. Okay, why we are using again you can use this XAMPP server. It's already built the by default. It's given the DB SQLite 3. You can utilize now. How to utilize I will explain now. Okay. Okay, can use in XAMPP also connected with the directly. How do I will explain now? Amrut, మనకి పిహెచ్పికి కానీ జావా కానీ వీటేటికి మనకి ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్స్కి డేటాబేస్ రాదు. దట్ టైమ్ వీఆర్ యూటిలైజింగ్ ది XAMPP server, AMP servers. Okay, this Django provides a DB SQLite 3. Okay, we work on DB SQLite 3. Okay, I will explain maybe personally to you. Okay, how to connect this XAMPP server. Okay, maybe you know already how to connect this XAMPP server, where you can put your code in the XAMPP server. Maybe HTTP docs you can put in the code. That time it's connected to directly XAMPP server. Yeah, I know. Okay, but in this time I will explain the DB SQLite 3. Okay. Yeah, I want to remove the CRF token. Okay, how to delete now? How to? I can just comment now in this. Okay, I comment this line, and again save now. Once any errors will be present, no errors will be present. I can go now, refresh it once. I can write the data. Submit now. You can see in this time it's not throwing the any share of token related to errors, not showing. No, don't throw the that type of errors because I am comment the share of tokens. ఎందుకంటే నాకు అక్కర్లేదు, నువ్వు వద్దు నాకు అని చెప్పేసి మనం కామెంట్ చేసాము ఏంటి సెట్టింగ్స్ ఫైల్లో. ఓకే, బట్ దిస్ సిఆర్ఎఫ్ టోకెన్స్ యూజ్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ ఈచ్ డేటా. ఓకే, ఏంటంటే మీరు ఇచ్చిన డేటాని ఇదేం చేసిద్దంటే మీకు మీ యొక్క డేటాని నంబర్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్స్ మధ్యన అది రీప్లేస్ చేసిద్ది. మళ్ళీ తర్వాత మీకు యూటిలైజేషన్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు మీరు ఏ డేటా అయితే ఇచ్చారో ఆ డేటాని ఇచ్చారు. ఏంటంటే ఇది మీకు నెట్వర్క్స్ మీ యొక్క యూఆర్ఎల్లో డేటా పాస్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు నెట్వర్క్స్ ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రాకుండా చేసుకునేది. ఓకే, డోంట్ పుట్ ఆన్ ది comments on this CRF token. Okay, you can utilize now CRF token all times, and also you can put now sorry, you can utilize the CRF token. Okay, that is the best method. Yeah, anyone any doubts in this? గాయస్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, ఖచ్చితంగా చెబుతున్నాను కదా. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయకపోతే మాత్రం చాలా కష్టమైంది మీకు. ఈ ఆపరేషన్స్ వచ్చేసినాయి అంటే మీకు సగం కోడింగ్ వచ్చేసినట్టే. ఇంకా మీరు నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పేజెస్ని కనెక్ట్ చేయడము, ఫంక్షన్స్ రాయడము, యూఆర్ఎల్స్ మ్యాపింగ్ చేసుకోవడం. మీరు ఇది కానీ కంప్లీట్ చేశారంటే నేను ఇంకా డేటాబేస్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాను. ఓకే, మీరందరూ ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక 2 ఫైల్స్ని క్రియేట్ చేసి 2 ఫైల్స్ నుంచి ఇట్లా యాక్షన్ చూపించండి. ఒక బటన్ పెట్టేసి ఒక ఫామ్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఫామ్ రిజిస్ట్రీ జస్ట్ లాగిన్ అండ్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇట్లా ఇచ్చేసేసి ఈ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేసిన కానీ అట్లా ఫామ్లోకి వెళ్ళాలి. అట్లా మీరు ఒక ఫంక్షన్ 2 ఫంక్షన్లు రాసి వాటికి 2 యూఆర్ఎల్స్ రాసి 2 టెంప్లెట్స్ని క్రియేట్ చేసి మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే మీ యొక్క ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఫైల్ నాకు పంపిస్తారో అప్పుడు మీరు దీంట్లో ది బెస్ట్గా ఉంటారు. ఓకే, నేనేమి రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ చేయాలని అనుకుంటున్నాను కానీ ఎందుకంటే మీరందరూ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు చాలామంది, అండ్ వర్క్ చేసే పర్సన్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఎవరు ఖాళీగా లేరు. అందుకే నేను ఎవరిని రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేయట్లేదు. చెయ్యండి, ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు చేస్తాను, నేను నెక్స్ట్ చదువుతానని ఎవరిని అనట్లా. ఓకే, కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకొని మీరు వర్క్ ఆన్ చేయండి. రేపు 2 days వస్తున్నాయి, ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు వర్క్ ఆన్ చేయండి. ఓకే, Shiva, you can provide note for Django. Yeah, I am go now. It's a little bit why మీకు ఇంకా చెప్పే కదా, మీకు జాంగో ఫైల్ ఏమైనా కావాలంటే మీకు డైరెక్ట్ జాంగో ఉంది ఇక్కడ. మీకు డాక్యుమెంట్స్ కావాలన్నా డాక్యుమెంట్ ఈచ్ బై ఈచ్ ఉంది మీకు డాక్యుమెంట్. ఓకే, మీరు త్రూ జాంగో యూ కెన్ యూటిలైజ్ నౌ దిస్ వెబ్సైట్. ఓకే, ఇన్ ఓవర్ వ్యూ యూ కెన్ సీ నౌ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఇన్ ది. But how to utilize now I will explain. Okay, you can start with how to installation. I will already explain now. Okay, it's using pip version. Okay, and take a tutorials, and you can check the Django version. How to check the version? Python, you can use this command. You can use, just of all you can copy now your paste in your command prompt. It's get the version. Okay, and also Django admin start project. Okay, I'm already created one project using this command, and next these files are came. Okay, ఇలా చదివితే ఏంటంటే మీకు ఒక జస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీంట్లో చూసి చదువుతున్నారా అని ఉండిద్ది. ఓకే, దీంట్లో అయితే మీకు ఇన్ డీటెయిల్గా ఉంది. ఓకే, నేనేమీ ఇవ్వనక్కర్లా దీనికి సంబంధించి, ఎందుకంటే ఇదే బెస్ట్గా ఉండిద్ది. ఫాలో అయిపోండి. నేను బేసిక్స్ వాటికి క్లియర్ కట్గా చిన్నగా వెళ్తుంది దానికే. ఎందుకంటే బేసిక్స్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉన్నారంటే మీరు ఇంకా ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా కూడా ఈ కోడ్ని చూసేస్తే మీకు అర్థమైద్ది పలానా వర్క్ జరుగుతుంది, పలానా వర్క్ జరుగుతుందని మీకు అర్థమైపోద్ది ఈజీగా. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మీకు ఏంటంటే మీరు ఏమన్నా సర్వర్ని చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారా? 8080 సర్వర్లోకి మీరు ఏమన్నా ఉన్నారా? దాన్ని 8000లోకి చేంజ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారా? చేంజ్ చేసుకుని ఇట్లా. అండ్ 00 సర్వర్ కూడా మీరు చేసేసుకోవచ్చు. okay, as your wish. You can follow these steps which you can easily you can change now. Okay, and next, how to create the app. I am already done. In this time, given the polls means I am creating app one. Okay, in this time, that time I retrieve these files. Okay, admin level, app level, migration I am not completed. Okay, don't go now. I will explain now. Okay, init.py file and models test.py file, views.py files, I am already done it. Okay, how to create one function. But in this time, you can see in this time only using http response. It's not a required. It's not a not required for in this time. I will explain now. On the time it's came, I will definitely I will explain. Okay. Okay, and next URL, how to connect the URLs. I'm already done. Okay, and how to import these files. Don't do this type of give codes. Do it. Uh, uh, what I'm explaining, you just follow that commands. Okay, and also I will share now my file, my project file. You can utilize now this file. Okay, I will rar it and I will post now. You can first of all import this. It's not a rar. Okay, I will rar it. Okay, can't open. Achieve the demo. Okay, break option close now. What happened? Mm-hmm. Achieve. Okay. Oh, okay. It's a lot of MB is maybe present. Okay. Mm-hmm. Templates is it's came. Okay. In app one. Okay, all is came. Demo, it's all came. Okay, I will send this file. Okay, will send to you guys. You can check now first of all. Django. Okay. అందరూ ఈ ఫైల్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని ఇలానే వన్స్ కోడింగ్ చేయండి. ఓకే గైస్, ఎనీ డౌట్స్?
ఓకే శివ.
ఓకే, వన్స్ ఆ ఫైల్ని మీరు ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా తీసుకొనే చేయండి. ట్యాంప్లెట్ మార్చండి, ట్యాంప్లెట్ మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చినట్టు చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, యాక్షన్ పర్ఫామ్ అవ్వాలి. బటన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తే నాకు వెళ్ళాలి. ఓకే ఓకే, ఎనీ డౌట్స్? యూజ్ ద మెసేజ్. Okay, add in rar file again. Okay, delete this previous rar file. Okay, any doubts guys? I can stop my sharing screen and also recording.